What happens after the waiting period you mentioned?
So after we get through this written discovery stage, we go to party depositions. Party depositions is an opportunity for the attorney on the other side to speak to you, and it's an opportunity for our office to speak to the defendant. Once a person has an attorney, they cannot be contacted directly by the other side. And so this is an opportunity for each side to speak to the adverse side. The defense attorney and in our office, what we want to accomplish by doing these depositions is evaluate each person to determine if they are a credible witness, how they will present at trial. We want to know how you would do in the event that we had a trial. But also, it's an opportunity to peg each side down to their responses. So for the defendant, what I want to do is get his version of what happened and figure out why this happened. Why are we here today? Similarly, the defense attorney wants to peg you down to your responses, get a background of what, a background of you, the person, get more information about your injuries, find out if you have any similar or prior injuries, any subsequent injuries that happened afterwards, and they want to know how this accident happened, see if you did anything wrong to cause this wreck. Or, if it's a slip and fall, figure out if you did something wrong, like not watching where you're going, or if you had previously been in the area. This is something for which we will exhaustively prep you. Essentially, we do not want to just throw you into the lion's den. My office will practice the stuff with you. Typically what I want to do is call you in or do this over the phone. We go over the do's and don'ts of doing a deposition. We go through the exhibits, your medical records, any tangible information, we want to go through that. We go through the lawsuit. We go through your discovery responses, the written discovery responses that we just completed. We go through all that stuff because what we answered there is considered sworn testimony, just like a deposition. Ultimately, if there's any inconsistent responses at trial, those can be used against you. Similarly, if the defendant makes inconsistent statements, I can use that against him. And it's essentially to say you're a liar, you're a faker, etc. So once we've prepped for the deposition, we then come to either my office or the defense counsel's office, and we will sit in a conference room with a court reporter who writes down everything that everybody says, and we do the deposition. Typically, we are going to prep several days in advance, and then the day before, if you do not want to do the deposition because you are not ready, I will call it off. I want you to be so secure and ready for this deposition that you are willing to go in and knock it out. And if you're not ready, we'll do it another day.